In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress, a vital tool for creating and managing your online store with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard. This is the starting point for adding new functionality to your website. Simply log into your WordPress admin area, and on the left sidebar, you'll see a menu option labeled Plugins. Click on this and it will take you to the plugins page where you can manage all the plugins installed on your website. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page and you'll notice a button that says Add New. Click on this button. It will direct you to the WordPress plugin directory where you have a wide array of plugins available at your fingertips. In the search bar located on the right side, type in WooCommerce. The search results should appear almost instantly, displaying a variety of plugins related to WooCommerce. Among those, you'll find the main WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic. It's important to choose this one as it's the official, most comprehensive, and widely supported tool for setting up an e-commerce platform. Once you locate the correct plugin in the results, simply click on the title of the plugin or the image, and it will take you to a detailed page about WooCommerce. On the plugins page, you'll see a button labeled Install Now. Click this button to initiate the installation process. This might take a little while, depending on the speed of your internet connection, so be patient as WordPress downloads and unpacks the plugin files. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Click Activate to enable the WooCommerce plugin on your website. Activation might take a moment as WordPress sets up the basic WooCommerce framework. With WooCommerce activated, you'll be prompted to go through a setup wizard. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to skip the guided setup. Look for a small link that allows you to skip this step for now. This wizard can be very helpful for new users, guiding you through basic configurations, but it isn't strictly necessary if you want to get a quick start. Now, to confirm that everything has been set up correctly, go back to the Installed Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. You'll notice that WooCommerce is now listed among the installed plugins, indicating that it's ready to use. And there you have it. With WooCommerce installed, you're ready to start building your online store, adding products, managing sales, and more. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident moving forward with your e-commerce journey. Thanks for watching and happy selling.